Good morning. Isaiah chapter 61 verse 3, it said, and give you beauty for ashes, oil of joy for mourning, and the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. So what it means is that God is able to give you beauty for your ashes. Anything in your life that looks dead, that looks like it's burnt, is destroyed, it doesn't look beautiful, that looks gray, that looks like something to be cast away, something worthless, He can turn it into beauty. And everything that is making you to mourn, I'm not talking about death, but maybe you are retrenched, or your marriage is gone down, is destroyed, or anything, any other thing, or broken relationships. It can be family or relatives or friendships that puts you in a place of mourning. God can give you an oil of joy, and that the spirit of heaviness, you don't know, maybe it's your problems, the problems of your life that are making you feel like you are carrying something heavy. He can give you the garment of praise. All you just need to do is to ask Him, Father, in the name of Jesus, I ask that you give me beauty for my ashes. I ask, oh Lord, that you give me the oil of joy for my mourning. I ask that you give me the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. Stay blessed and do enjoy your day.